In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can remove backgrounds with the Object Mask tool and auto tracking in Adobe Premiere Pro Beta. So I have my project here, and with my project selected, so just click it, we're going to go to the Effect Controls window, and then here I'm going to select Opacity. And with Opacity selected, I'm going to click this Object Mask tool. And as you can see now, if I hover on top of my object I want to mask, I'm getting this red hue, and I'm going to click it. And it has already removed the background, as you can see. Now, I'm going to put this one at the beginning of my clip. You can also change this red hue by clicking here, and you can make it blue or green or none, whatever you like. When you have selected your object and if something is missing, just also click that with the Object Mask tool. So just click it if something is missing. And then you're going to go to the Effect Controls window again, and beneath Opacity we now have an Object Mask. And here I'm going to click this Track Selected Mask Forward option. And our Premiere Pro Beta is going to track my entire clip to remove that background for me. And when Premiere Pro is finished, and I'm now going to click away, as you can see, I have my subject and my background has been removed from my entire clip, as easy as that. So this is in Premiere Pro Beta, which you can access using your Creative Cloud app, Creative Cloud desktop app. Underneath apps, then you have the beta option here, and here you can install all the beta versions of all the software you're using. If you don't see beta here, you might have to update your Creative Cloud desktop app. But that's how you can remove a background with the Object Mask tool and auto tracking in Premiere Pro Beta. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.